My phone is away.
Am I recording now? Okay, yes, I am recording. I just did this intro and was not recording, which was a bit embarrassing. So, I just arrived at my friends Eden and Dina's place, and we're all getting ready for the Emmys because apparently we're going to the Emmys. Yeah. So, I'm just going to introduce you to a couple people. This is Dina. Dina, say hello.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, you don't get a choice. You're on camera. And then this is Eden. You have the tickets in your hand.
I do have the tickets in my hand.
Oh,
They're so shiny. Oh, majestic. Tickets are majestic.
Yup.
Yeah.
And then over there is Queso.
Queso.
I'm not.
She's the laziest cat.
Step 1 to going to the Emmys and getting ready. Instagram it. I am not ashamed. Step 2, popsicles. Step 3, I'm getting ready for the Emmys. Eat lunch. Notice how eating lunch comes after the popsicle?
What?
Step 4, getting ready for the Emmys. Sunscreen. Yes, I am that pale. Step 5? Step 5.
You need to turn on music.
Yeah, step 5 is turn off the music.
Yeah, there you go. Do that.
Step 5 was turn off the music. Step 6 was put my hair up, which I already did.
It's up.
Step 7 is put a dress on.
Dress.
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 Dress. Dress. Step 8. Contemplate the matchiness of accessories.
Does it match? I don't know. I hope it does.
I don't know the answer either. Maybe.
It's my only option. I don't have any others.
But also probably not. Step 9 is makeup. I don't wear makeup very often. That's all I got. Ta-da! Step 10. Make sure that my phone is charged. Let's see. Focus, focus. Doesn't want to focus. It's not all the way charged. So, we're going with 12. So, step number 12. Go to the car. Go to the car! To drive to the Emmys. Do you have the parking passes? Show us the parking passes. I want to see.
The parking pass looks really cool.
Preferred, rather.
Preserved?
I don't know. Step number 13. Leave the parking lot and drive to the Emmys.
Yeah, I've been to my dad's place already.
Step number 14. Fill out an Emmys ballot sheet.
Oh gosh.
Is it hard?
Yes.
Step number 15. Pick up Eden's dad. Eden's dad, say hi.
I'm sorry, what's your first name?
I'm Rachel.
Rachel. I'm Tom or Mr. Gallagher. Probably Tom would be fine.
Okay.
We are already going to
Step number 16. Traffic. Yes, this is a necessary
What is
step.
it, a blimp?
Step number 17.
What are we looking for?
I'm trying
We have to get
figure out
into the West Hall.
Sorry,
West
Lilo.
Hall parking?
how to get into the thing.
Mid parking. We have the lane.
Step number 18. Guess who's in the cars around you?
Okay, so we have to get to what, West Hall?
I think we just cut off Kevin Spacey.
I think
that's where they're using for parking
All the limos are Kevin Spacey.
You'll turn.
That one is probably not Kevin Spacey.
You most.
So, we think that the party bus is the Netflix party bus. Actually, Kevin Spacey.
Could actually be
Kevin Spacey.
here, so I need the tickets.
Step number 19? Are we on 19?
Yes.
Step number 19. Arrive at the Emmys.
I think so.
extra ballot.
Cameras are not permitted in the Nokia Theater. Security will impound all cameras until the end of the telecast.
Cell phones? Or
No, you can keep your.
I am leaving the camera in the car.
You can leave.
Check it now.